Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can convert your images to a video using AI. So go to labs.google. This is the Google Flow, and you're going to create a new one. Here, I'll select new project. Sorry about the lag, by the way. I turned off the hardware acceleration. I will enable that later. But you're going to insert your image here. Oh, make sure you select the frames to video one. Select your image and place it there, and you can just crop and save here to kind of match it a little bit better. Then you can just add in your prompt here and then press enter. Okay, apparently it didn't load, but yeah, that's pretty much it really. Oh my gosh, why do I have to do this again? Hold on. Oh, okay, uploading people. So let's upload a cat instead. Will that work? Let's do like a portrait one. Crop and save, and you're just going to enter your prompt. Why is it still this girl? Okay, I don't know. Girl turning into a fairy and flying away in, okay, let's do cat then. Above the cloud, in a fairy world. Then you're just going to press enter. It's going to take some time to generate. I will be back when it's done generating. This is what it looks like, by the way. It could be better. It's just because I didn't put the prompt properly. It's not a proper prompt. If you want to use a proper prompt, make sure you create a prompt first in like ChatGPT or something. But this is what it looks like. That is very loud, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.